Alright guys, today we're going to be reviewing an LED floor lamp. Here's what comes in the box. This is a pretty cool lamp. The brand asked me to see if I could do the review. I was excited about this one because I'm going to be using this lamp for a while. I was looking for ways to improve my lighting on my videos, and this helps a lot. So it brings a manual. This live an app that you can download where you can control it. This is a 72-inch lamp, so it's really tall. You can see here has the tubes that you're gonna put together with the power right here. It has a base. Oh, it's a heavy base right here. That's the base of the lamp. Super heavy. So you can rest assured the lamp is not gonna go anywhere. That is heavy, heavy. That's all it comes in the box. You put this box on the ground here, and then here is the lamp. You can see it's pretty. It's not huge, but it's pretty big, and it turns 350 degrees. If you can see, it won't go 360 because you can't do that, but 350 degrees. And the cool part too is the inside turns too. The inside, you can put them both up, one down, one up. And you can set the mood, different color variation. So it has 16 million colors that you can set up and play with, if you will, that you can change. It has a remote control here. You can see it here. It has on, off, auto, 3 different settings for when you talk. They will move with your voice, or if you want to set down being on a movie or something, then you can just set it, and whenever there's noise it will start moving at the rhythm of the noise. It has an hour, 2 hours, and 3 hour timer. Has a speed, faster or slower. It got a couple of modes, and then it has brightness, low or high. You can change the brightness. RGB color, so it's red, green, and blue, and then has yellow, like a light blue, purple, orange, lighter purple, and white. You can change the temperature too, so if you like a warm color light, then if you read or your house had those green or yellow lights, you can set up to that. Or if your house has you can or cooler lights, you can do that. So it's easy to set up. It's just screwing. You see here is just screwing the little metal tubes together, and then screwing the bottom one to the base that is very heavy. So yeah, with that you'll know that your lamping is not going anywhere. Let me put it together and then I'll show how it looks. You can see I can set it up right now because it's too tall, so you won't be able to see it when this recording because I'm doing this sitting down. But you have the remote. You can use the remote and it works. And then you have to download the app. It's called Magic Lantern, and it works just like the remote. So you can see here, you can change colors in there like this, so it doesn't bother you. But classic colors: blue, red, green, and then it has a palette here that you can just do whatever color you want. Just go around and you can get whatever color you like. So definitely cool. It has a whole bunch of modes that you can change with one scroll. And it has a basic, which is color jumps, and then curtain, different colors, transitions, and then water just follows different colors. Well, that's pretty cool. Flow with different, it's a whole bunch of colors that you could do, run it back. So definitely, it's a great lamp to have. You can play music. See, and he dancing by the music. Let it go quick. See, and then with your mic, so you see that I'm talking and it's moving. So if I stop talking, you just shut off. So definitely works. And it has, if you're gonna use it just as a lamp, you can schedule to turn on and off by itself. You can use it as white or neutral colors. So you can change if you want it warmer or brighter or everything on the. And then here you can do, if you like warmer, then you could do warmer or cooler. So definitely recommend it if you're looking for a lamp that you can manipulate and put whatever color you want. So if you want to set 2 colors, this is what I'm going to use it for my background. So you got a couple of colors here and colors here. So definitely gonna use it like that. Different colors. Looks cool. It's tall. You can set it up to read if you want to read. You can do like like this. You're just gonna read. You can position it however you want. Definitely a great buy, great price. Definitely recommend it. So if you're looking for a lamp that is, you can set the tone, watch movies, and listen to music, and it have different modes, 16 million colors. It's great price, rarely made. This is your lamp. So I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.